Everyone, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to share more of my daily video with you all. If you're subscribed on my channel, you might have seen few of my lifestyle short video I posted before, and I noticed that some of you really enjoy watching them. So I thought, why not share a full daily life with you all as well. So it's around 9 a.m. now, and I'm gonna do a Sunday reset video showing you my typical Sunday routine to help me get prepared for next week. I'll be doing a lot of cleaning today because the apartment is quite messy and definitely needs some organizing. So normally on Sunday, I would love to go for a walk in the park when the weather is nice, but today I'll be just spending the whole day at home, not because of the weather is not nice, but because I got a lot of things I need to get done. As you can see, I already had my morning matcha and also did my skincare. So now, let's move on to the cleaning part. Okay, so the first thing I always do for my Sunday reset is wash my sheet and change to the fresh one. I usually change my bed sheets every 1 to 2 weeks. If I'm not busy or lazy, I'll do it weekly. But in this case, I haven't changed them for 2 weeks. That's not because I'm lazy, but because I went away for holiday last week. So far, I have changed my bedsheet, cleaned my beauty corner, and also cleaned my vanity tables. And I'm going to move on to kitchen side. But before cleaning my kitchen side, I'm going to have something to drink just because I don't feel like to eat something heavy, and I'm thinking that I have milk left on my fridge that I have to use up. And yeah, for that I'm thinking to make some smoothie for my lunch, and for dinner I haven't decided yet, so I'm gonna swing it later. So now I'm just gonna make smoothie first before cleaning my kitchen. So I'm going to make blueberry smoothie. I have yogurt, I have honey, I have my leftover milk, and some frozen blueberry. Let's try it out. Very refreshing, and it's not too sweet too. So these are from last night. They're already dry, and I'm gonna put them up first before cleaning all of this. So kitchen clean done, next I'm going to vacuum my whole apartment. But before I'm doing that, I'm going to do a little self-care for myself. As today is a hair wash day, I'm going to apply some hair oil and leave it for a few hours. I'll be using this hair oil from Bumi Botanicals. I've been using this for a few months and I really love it. I normally apply it on my roots and my scalp. And I also use this octopus massager tool to really work the oil in. So I'm just gonna leave it in a bun for a few hours while I continue doing my cleaning part. So I just done vacuuming the whole apartment, and the next thing I wanna do is clean the bathroom. But I would like to do that when I'm ready to get showered because I'm sure that clean the bathroom won't make me dry. So it does make sense, right? And now I'm not ready to get shower yet because I still have to wait few hours for my hair because I just leave it for 1 hour just now. I'm gonna kill some times to be productive and just doing my personal work and editing because I have a lot of video that I need to edit but I just don't have time. While I have a free time now, I might as well do that. If you notice, I've been wearing the same pajamas since I wake up. That's because I don't really change a lot of clothes if I just stay at home all day. Plus, I like pajamas a lot because they are so comfy. And now it has been 3 hours since I put the hair oil. That means I'm ready to go shower and also clean my bathroom. Now that I had showered, I feel fresh, clean hair, clean clothes, and I'm ready to make my dinner. I'm actually not really hungry. I'm still feel full from the smoothie this afternoon, so I'm just gonna make a simple dinner. I'm just gonna cook pesto tortellini with cheese, mushroom, and bacon with the tomato bacon pasta bake sauce. This sauce is really good. I get it from Lidl, so if you guys have Lidls in your country, you can try this as well. When I eat my lunch or dinner, I love to watch something. I'm just gonna continue my Korean drama that I've been watching lately. It's called Friendly Rival. It has Hyeri from Girls' Day in that drama, and I really love her. She's so pretty there. I love her style and outfit in the drama. Are you guys watching that too? If yes, let me know in the comment what you think about the drama. My dinner is ready and it's time to eat. It is 10 o'clock now and I'm just so tired and I'm definitely ready just chilling in the bed. But before that, I'm gonna do face mask. My skin has been dry lately, so I need to put a face mask just to keep my skin moisturized and hydrated. I'm using this soothing mask from Dr. Althea. I'm just gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes while I continue watching my Korean drama and just until I feel sleepy and ready for the bed. So that's my whole productive Sunday routine. I really enjoy spending my day with you guys, and I had so much fun filming this because it's actually my very first daily life and Sunday reset video that I made for this channel. I hope you enjoy your Sunday with me too. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more video in the future. Guys, I'm so sleepy now and I'm definitely ready to crash. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!